After this video, you will know what can be made persistent and what is volatile. Welcome to the world of holistic efficient solutions. As always, this video is uncut. We start from scratch, starting slowly. And as most of the time, we start with some basic data. We never really mind what data we're using right now. Anyhow, let's give it proper names. Good. Now let's start from the opposite direction. What is volatile? So you already saw that when you close the shape, it's gone. If you have some configuration of the shape and you close it, it's actually gone. You can always redo it, and typically field configuration is not all that complicated. That's why, as of the version of Embrace right now, the shape configuration in general is always volatile. It's not stored on disk. What is storable on disk is your net data in here, and you can do so obviously if you go to the save dialog and, for example, save it. And if we close Embrace and start it again, we can load this very file and you will see where you left off. But again, not the shape configuration. What can be made persistent in addition, but this will be another story, if you change your data and you would like to see the prior version of it, it's also possible, but that's part of the version control system. But there will be another video for that. And as I said before, there's more to Embrace, but that'll be another story.